Hey guys, so I just wanted to let you know what this channel is all about. All right. I am plant-based and I am vegan. I say 80% plant-based, 20% vegan. My intent is to deliver vegan and plant-based recipes and really kind of show the ways that I live and follow this lifestyle. My videos are going to bring fun recipes. I hope that you find them, entertaining and funny, simple. I hope to get better over time. I've been living a plant-based lifestyle slash vegan lifestyle for about 6 years now. It is absolutely an every single day, every hour part of my life. As I was trying to figure out what it is I want to do, and if I want to do a YouTube channel, what value could I bring to people? What I hope to bring, or what I am going to bring, whether I hope to or not, is sort of a no-frills approach to cooking. I don't have a fancy kitchen. I don't have fancy cookware. I don't have fancy tools and resources. For the most part, it's a messy mess, and I do my best with the tools and resources that I have, which is another reason why I thought, I'll bring this to people that maybe are like me. I don't know. I mean, I see some of these videos out there, and although they're beautiful and magnificent, they just don't look anything like what's going on at my house. And they also don't really take into consideration some of the work that goes into actually making this happen, and also some of the cleanup that has to, I mean, I'll tell you that part sucks. If you've got a spouse or somebody that lives with you that can help out, that is, good for you. I wish I had some of that, because it would probably make this a whole hell of a lot easier. If I had a bigger kitchen, if I had more tools, if I had all this other stuff, I'm sure this would be a lot easier. And I will hopefully get all of those things at some point. But what I thought was unique was the fact that I am able to do what I do and bring all of these awesome recipes to my table, and share with the people that that I eat with, or entertain or whatever. And I thought, well, maybe somebody else is like that out there. So anyway, that's another, I think, unique thing that we'll be bringing to the table. So to set the expectation also, you're going to see a messy kitchen, and you're going to see not the coolest kitchen in the world, and some of the lighting sucks, and I'm working on trying to make all that better. But I hope overall what I'm delivering is simple, easy to understand ways to make the food that can lead you down or make you feel more comfortable about adopting a plant-based and or vegan or vegetarian lifestyle. Like I said before, I'm not trying to sell anything. I just thought this would be a good idea, and I wanted to see if anybody else enjoyed the dishes that I enjoy. And I think I'm kind of funny sometimes, and so the more I get comfortable with recording and cooking, you'll probably see all the quirky stuff that I do. I talk to myself a lot, so hopefully I'll be talking to you. I'd love to hear your feedback. I mean, I want to make this something that's useful. So thanks for watching. Please, if you're interested at all in what's coming and what is already in place, subscribe. If you have recommendations or suggestions or questions or anything you'd like to know more about,